SMODE lets you create interactive elements that respond to audio frequencies. This can be either an input, like your microphone, or an output, like a song you've added to your timeline. To illustrate this, let's begin with a simple red layer. First, I will make its opacity vary according to the volume of my microphone. To achieve this, I will configure SMODE to utilize my microphone as an audio input. To do this, I will go to Edit, Preferences, and in Audio Input, I'll pick my microphone instead of null audio. After adding it, I click Apply and close the preferences. Then, in the Device panel, I make sure that when I speak, I have an audio frequency that is connected. And here, that's what I observe. All I have to do is right-click on the parameter I wish to connect and select the Link to Audio Spectrum Extractor option. This will automatically create a link and allow me to select the desired frequency with the rectangular shape using the helpers. So now, whenever I talk, my layer will now respond dynamically to my audio input. This same process can be applied not only to audio input, but also to audio output. For that, I will go back to my preferences and add an audio output. Just like before, I'll pick my audio device instead of null. Next, I'll add a wave file to my composition. I'll drag and drop this point wave, and I can press play standalone so I can listen to it. And here, in my devices panel, I'll make sure there is a fluctuating frequency. I will then modify the link by enabling the output channel setting. I simply need to adjust the shape to the frequency I want. You can make an audio visualizer in 2 clicks. Simply create a function curve 2D layer in your composition. Then, in its function category, in the parameters, instead of linear ramp, you can select audio waveform. This way, whenever I speak, the oscilloscope reacts automatically. There's also an output channel option. This means if I put my dot wave back in my composition, and it plays, I can connect this function not to my microphone input, but to the wave file.